Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a border in Picsart using the mobile device. To add border in Picsart, first of all, open up the Picsart application on your device and then tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen to start a new project. Now once you do that, you'll be taken to your device's camera roll where you can select a photo from your gallery. After selecting a photo from your device's camera roll, go ahead and scroll through the bottom menu and tap on Border. Adjust the inner, outer, and radius options by dragging the little white bar right or left. After you are done making the adjustment, you can go choose Inside at the bottom and select the inside, outer, border, inner border, and opacity. After making the necessary adjustments, you can go ahead and also choose the color from the color palette option and apply it to your border. Once you're happy with the result, tap on Apply at the top right, and there you have successfully added a border in your picture using Picsart. Save the picture to your device by tapping on the download button at the top of the screen, and there you go. That's how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Picsart tutorials. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.